Our next question is from GATE 2017, Instrumentation and Process Control, for 2 marks. The open loop transfer function of a process with proportional controller gain is this. Based on the Bordet's criteria for closed loop stability, the ultimate gain of the controller rounded to 2 decimal places is. Let's start with the solution. You can see here, this is our transfer function which is given Kc upon S into open loop transfer function, actually e to the power minus 2s. Since Kc upon S, this is the pure capacitive transfer function and it is a dead time system, right? So we have 2 transfer functions in series. So we will take in the first transfer function, that is this, we will put S is equal to I omega, then it will be Kc upon I omega. If you multiply I in denominator and numerator, it will be in denominator it will be I square is equal to minus 1, you know very well, so it will be minus I Kc upon omega. This is the form of A plus IB. Here A is equal to 0, and so it amplitude ratio for this, it will be, since we know that amplitude ratio is calculated as under root A square plus B square, so it will be A is 0 here, so plus it will be minus Kc upon omega ka whole square to the power 1 by 2, right, square root of. From this, after solving, we get K upon omega. So this is the amplitude ratio for the pure capacitive system. Now, and phase lag is calculated as tan inverse B upon A, and we know that in this, since it is the form A plus IB, right, so it will be minus Kc upon omega. P is equal to minus Kc upon omega and A is equal to 0. From this we get tan inverse minus K upon omega upon 0. From this we get minus 90 degree, right? And now we will calculate the crossover frequency, right? It will be equal to minus 180 is equal to minus 90 for this pure capacitive system, plus, and since for that time system it is written as tau d into omega co plus 180 degree by pi, right? So it will be minus 2 into omega co into 180 degree by pi. After solving, you can see here it will be 90, and 90 divided by 2 it will be 45, and 45 divided by 180 will be omega co is equal to pi by 4, right? This is the crossover frequency. Since they are asking the ultimate value of Kc, so we will put amplitude ratio is equal to 1 at crossover frequency, from where we will get Kcu, means ultimate value of gain. So amplitude ratio will be Kc upon omega co into 1. Since for pure capacity system we have calculated it K upon omega into 1 is for that time system. Amplitude ratio for that time system is 1. Remember this, right? We will put amplitude ratio is equal to 1 here, Kc upon omega co into 1. From this, Kcu is equal to omega co is equal to, since it will be multiplied here, so it will be pi by 4, that is 0.785. This is the final answer, right? So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.